2006 Chrysler 300C HEMI, 5.7 liter. Is it 5.7, right? Yeah. All right. It's got stock converters there and there. X-pipe. Well, not X-pipe. Flex pipe. I don't know what's going on with me lately. Got factory X-pipe. Then what we did, deleted the mid mufflers and deleted the mid suitcase right there and put DYNOMAX race bullets. There'll be a link in the description for them with 2.5-inch pipe. Then we did a rear resonator muffler delete there and there. And then we put some 4-inch tips there and there. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see. So if you guys like the work, please subscribe, comment, and like our videos. There's the rear 2 mufflers or resonators. There's the suitcase muffler in the middle. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2013 Chrysler 300. He brought it in a couple of days ago. We did a rear muffler delete and it wasn't loud enough. So guess what we did? Trudle it. There's the stock converters there and there. Then that's where usually the X-pipe is. We took that out. As you guys can see over there, I'll show you in a minute. Then there's the 2 mids. We cut them out and replaced it all with 2.25 pipe to complete it, to continue the 2.25 from the motor all the way back. There's the rear muffler resonator delete we did earlier, a couple of days ago. There's the middle section we just cut off. Now you guys will really hear it. It'll open up a lot. And like always, guys, please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Keeps us going. Hope you guys like it. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. And it's a HEMI 5.7 300S Sport. Much better. No rasp, just clean. That's nice. Your sound decibels? Bro, it hit 160. Go ahead and back it up. That's awesome. That sounds really good. Perfect?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That's better. Alright, so 300 with DYNOMAX race. Oh, that is so sick. It's so perfect. I love that sound. I love it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Give a guess? Sound decibel. Again? Bro, it peaked at 117. It's so loud. Go ahead and back it up. Exactly. See, I told you should have done that from the start.
Yeah, from the start. I mean, I got to come back and we got to talk a little bit more.
Exactly. Look at that idle, man. That sounds so good. What do you think? He approves! That's sick. That's sick. Let you guys hear it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Chrysler 300C. It came out nice. DYNOMAX race bullets. sounds awesome.
300.
So we did a rear muffler delete first, and now it's true dual all the way back, 2 1/4. And then in a couple of weeks, we ran out of black 5-inch tips. He's gonna bring it back, and we're gonna put black 5-inch tips to complete the look.